Yesterday, but yeah, happy new year to you and yours at home. It's always fun to look back at the previous year and kind of see what happened weather-wise, and I've got some of that information for you today. Our hottest day of last year came in August when we got to 105 degrees twice. The coldest we were through the year, -9 degrees back in February. The windiest day came July 4th, if you remember those storms that rolled through on the holiday, kind of disrupted celebrations for a bit there. Yeah, highest wind gusts. Well, I don't even think that was a gust. That was a measured wind speed through town was 60 miles per hour. And then the most rain we saw in a day, August 26th, where we got about 2.25 inches. And then the snowiest day was back in February 16th, where we saw almost 9 inches of snow fall in Lincoln. So a lot of these dates come from the calendar year. Some of our winter weather kind of measurements come from a season. So not done with the winter season just yet. And we're below normal in terms of some of our snow totals, but that certainly helped us back in February. And you can see some of these extremes come from February. So we know that's kind of headed our way. We've had a warm winter so far. December was warm, and we're going to continue to see a warm day today. North 48th and Cornhusker Highway, clearing skies overnight. So likely some frost that you'll encounter first this morning on the car. Maybe you need to use the windshield scraper if you have your car kind of sit out overnight. But with me comes some of this warmer weather this morning, starting out anywhere from about 10 to almost 15 degrees warmer, especially as you look at those areas north and west compared to this time yesterday. Here's a look at those actual temperatures. It's 24 degrees right now in Lincoln, a little bit warmer in Nebraska City and Beatrice at 26 degrees. Also that right now in Grand Island. Looking across the state though, there's a little bit of a corridor of some warmer air sitting in the lower 30s in a few spots. 30 degrees in O'Neill, 32 in Broken Bow. Chadron, still a cold one at 13 degrees right now. This is a look at satellite. It shows you a little bit of cloud cover kind of moving, especially in northeast Nebraska. That's where we are seeing some of those warmer temperatures by at least 5, almost 10 degrees in some of those locations, but clearing out in western Nebraska too, allowing those temperatures to drop off. We'll see a little bit of this cloud cover move in and out throughout the rest of the morning, but expecting a lot of sunshine heading throughout the day today. So highs should be able to rebound a little bit warmer than what we saw to start out the new year yesterday, bring us our warmest day so far of the year. And then going tonight into early tomorrow, by this time tomorrow, likely be tracking the potential for some fog that could form overnight and maybe provide us some hazards going through the morning commute tomorrow. So kind of keep that in mind. But highs today for the capital city, 41 degrees, mostly sunny skies. Again, this will be the warmest will be all week. And then more active pattern will start up as soon as Friday. A small chance for maybe a mix of snow and rain. We'll kind of keep an eye on that. It looks to be more snow than anything, but keep an eye on that. You see temperatures will be in the 30s, hanging around the middle 30s for quite some time. Another small chance on Sunday. This will be the beginning of the next system that we're going to be keeping an eye on. Models are coming into agreement that it looks like we'll be a part of this next system that develops over the plains, especially Monday and into Tuesday, bringing some snow and maybe some accumulating snow looks like for the area, but still a week out, so hammering out some more of those details. Just something to keep an eye on.